Hello student, my name is Ayush Porwal. I am your new faculty of class 10th. So I will cover the topic trigonometry today. Okay, so let's start with some of the basic formulas which need to be covered in this topic. So here in the trigonometric chapter, we will cover the 5 topics. The first topic is trigonometric ratios of an acute angle of a right triangle. Okay. Then we will cover reciprocal relations, then quotient relations, then trigonometric ratios of some specific angles like 90 degree, 60 degree, 45 degree, and 30 degree. And fifth is trigonometric identities. Okay. So let's start with the some basic information first. Okay. Some right angles. We will see here the right angle triangle. Here the right angle is at angle B. Okay. And the side opposite to the angle B is called hypotenuse. We denote the hypotenuse in trigonometry as H. And the line AB here is called base B. And the side BC is called the perpendicular. Okay. And we denote it with P. Let us take a right angle triangle. Okay, it's a right angle triangle ABC. Here the triangle CAB. Let's check angle CAB. When we are talking about the angle now, then just check the middle term. The middle term always shows the angle. Here, if angle here the complete triangle is CAB, how can we know that it's for which triangle we are talking about? Okay, so first we have to check the middle term. So we are talking about the angle A here. Here the angle, we will talk everything about angle A. Okay, it is an acute angle. We know the angle, the complete angle ABC is of right angle triangle. The angle which are below the 90 degree is called acute angle. Below the 90 degree means the angle which are less than 90 degree is called acute angle. Okay, so here I will also tell you the AC is the hypotenuse. Okay, and the side hypotenuse of the side AB. Okay, so we called it as adjacent side of angle A. In the previous classes in ninth, we learned about the adjacent sides. Okay, so adjacent sides are the sides which are joining with a single point, just like A. Here, the adjacent side of angle A are AB and AC. Okay. Now we will talk about the trigonometric ratios. Okay. Trigonometric ratios in a right angle triangle. Here I will consider this as angle theta. Okay. In trigonometric term, generally we take the angle as theta. Theta is just a variable which changes when we put the values of any angle. Okay, I have already tell you. First, there is a formula. There are 6 signs basically. It is sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, and cotangent. Now here we talk about the angle A. Okay, so sine of what is, we will talk in regard of angle A only. Okay, so this is an angle A and we consider it as theta. So we have to mug up these facts first of all. Okay, I will later tell you what is, how we derive these angle ratios. Okay, so sine of angle A sine equal to BC upon AC. So here BC is P. We know in the previous page I will tell you about the what is P. P is the perpendicular. AC, what is AC? AC is the hypotenuse. Okay, AC is the hypotenuse. Now what is cosine? Cosine is AB upon AC. Here the AB is B. B is called base. Okay, and AC is called hypotenuse. Okay. Now we talk about the tangent. Tangent is called BC upon AB. What is the BC? BC here is called the perpendicular and AB is the base. Okay. And what is cosec? Cosecant. Generally we eliminate the end term. Only we called as cosec. But completely we talk about the cosecant. Okay. So cosecant is AC upon BC. What is AC? AC is the hypotenuse and BC is the perpendicular. Okay. What is secant? Secant is AC upon AB. AC is H and AB is the base B. What is cotangent? AB upon BC. What is AB here? AB here is base B and BC here is perpendicular. Okay. Now we talk about some of the reciprocal relations in this chapter. In triangle ABC, here it is the angle theta. Okay. In triangle ABC, here sine theta. In previous page, I will tell you about what is sine theta. Sine theta equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and cosec theta equal to hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Okay. So from here, we have denoted these terms perpendicular upon hypotenuse is reciprocal to hypotenuse upon perpendicular. So from here we derive the relation is that sine theta is reciprocal of 1 upon cosec theta and cosec theta is reciprocal of 1 upon sine theta. Okay. So this is one of the reciprocal relation. Same here applied to cos theta. Cos theta is base upon hypotenuse and the reciprocal sec theta equal to hypotenuse upon base. So from here we derive this that cos theta is reciprocal of sec theta and sec theta is reciprocal of 1 upon cos theta. Okay. As we can write sine theta as 1 upon cosec theta. Okay. And cos theta, we can write it as 1 upon sec theta. Okay. From third point, tan theta equal to perpendicular upon base and cot theta equal to base upon perpendicular. Here we get the reciprocal relation between tan theta and cot theta. Tan theta is reciprocal of cot theta, 1 upon cot theta, and cot theta is reciprocal of 1 upon tan theta. So here we derive this as tan theta equal to 1 upon cot theta. Just like if we multiply cot theta here and when we divide the tan theta here, then we can derive this as cot theta equal to 1 upon tan theta. So we can generally take that sin theta equal to 1 upon cosec theta and cosec theta equal to 1 upon sin theta. Okay. Now from the third point, we will talk about the quotient relation. So there are 2 points, tan theta and cot theta. We will talk about basically these two angles derive the sin theta and cos theta. Tan theta equal to, let me tell you, tan theta equal to sin theta upon cos theta and cot theta equal to cos theta upon sin theta. Let us derive this how tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta. We know that tan theta equal to perpendicular upon base. Okay. If we divide hypotenuse in numerator and denominator, then we will get the perpendicular hypotenuse and base upon hypotenuse. Okay. And in the previous page, I will tell you about what is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse equal to sin theta and base upon hypotenuse equal to cos theta. So from here it is derived that tan theta equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Same here as applied in cot theta. Cot theta equal to base upon perpendicular, and base equal from here when we divide hypotenuse in numerator and denominator, we will get the cos theta and sin theta. Okay, so as cos theta upon sin theta equal to cot theta. Okay, now we will solve a question. Just a minute. So here the question is, if sin A, just a minute. If sin A equal to 6 upon 8, calculate tan A upon cos A. In this type of question, first of all, we have to draw a triangle. First of all, we will draw a triangle here. Okay, this is a triangle. Here, let us consider a angle A here, angle B here, and angle C. We can randomly take any of the angle A. Okay, this is the angle theta. Okay, in the previous pages I will tell you how to suppose the angle. So from here, sin A equal to 6 upon 8. We have already learned the sin A or sin theta equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Here the perpendicular is AC, and here the perpendicular is BC, and the hypotenuse is AC, and AB is the base. One of the most important thing which we have to keep in mind while solving this type of question is that how to check which of the side is perpendicular to the angle and which of the side is base for an angle for which we are talking about. So for this, we have to check the angle for which we are talking about. The side which is opposite to that angle is the perpendicular. Okay, it means that when we talk about the angle A, the side BC is opposite to it is called the perpendicular, and the remaining side B is called the base. And for hypotenuse, how can we know the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is the maximum biggest side, and maximum biggest side is always 90 degree. Okay, these some points you have to keep in your mind while solving questions. Okay, so sin A equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Here perpendicular is 6 and hypotenuse is 8. Perpendicular is 6, hypotenuse is 8. Okay, now these all the trigonometric ratios are depend upon the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, we know what is Pythagoras theorem. परपेंडिकुलर का स्क्वायर प्लस बेस का स्क्वायर is equal to hypotenuse का स्क्वायर. Okay, so perpendicular का स्क्वायर, what is perpendicular here? Perpendicular here is 6, the square of 6 plus we don't know b, base का square is equal to hypotenuse का square. What is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse here is 8 square. So base we sum up LHS and RHS after segregating the variables in one side and elements in another side, here we get 8 square minus 6 square. Okay, now I will tell you some important things. How can we solve these things? If anybody knows, this is the square which is related to a square minus b square. Here the 8 is a and b is 6. Okay, so a square minus b square, what is the identity? A square minus b square. A square minus b square is a plus b and a minus b. And from here, a plus b, what is a plus b? 8 plus 6 multiply 8 minus 6. Okay, from here 8 plus 6 equal to 14. Multiply 8 minus 2 equal to 2. Okay, so from here we get that 14 to the 28. Okay, so from here b square comes up equal to 28. Okay, when we apply under root both side, taking under root both side, the square is eliminated from the under root. Here from b equal to under root 28. Under 28 is written as 7 3 21, 7 4 G 28. Okay, and 7 4 28 equal to 4 comes outside, then it is 2 root 7. So the value of b base here comes is 2 root 7. Okay, okay friends, thanks.